Hola YouTube. Esto es lo que le pasa a una Keurig que no cuela. A una Keurig that doesn't brew anymore. En YouTube. Keurig. Flashlight. For light. Now we'll find out why it's not brewing. Mira, el sello de silicón. Esto estaba funcionando bien. Come on, work. Como con la computadora del. Come on, work. Brew. You're gonna brew now. Ahora vamos a encontrar por qué es que no estaba funcionando la porquería cafetera. I guess we don't need this. Or this. Alright. Would you hold this for me?
How do you want me to hold it?
This lid isn't helping, so yes.
I think this would help.
Okay, that's enough. No. Sí. Pry bar. Can't pry it. On the other. In the middle. There we go. Now it's working. Now it's fixed.